Welcome to Acharya Coding School, guys. In this session, we'll try to understand how to check a user entered number, whether it is even or odd. So here, you as a user, you will be writing this line of code, which is taking input from a user, and we know we are talking about number. So let's convert it into integer. Okay. So and we will do some operation and we will check whether that number is even or odd. So guys, just simple thing, you have to use conditional statement here. If number mod 2 is equal to 0, I will divide. We know that if any number is divisible by 2 and at as a remainder we get a 0, then that number definitely is even number, guys. Once again, if any number is divisible by 2 and we get remainder as 0, then that number is definitely even number. Else, if the number is not even, then definitely that number is odd. That's it. Let's run the code, enter a number. Let's enter 23 and it is odd. Let's enter 24, it is even. Let's enter 11. Sorry guys, 11, and here it's odd. Let's enter 90, it is also even. So in this way we have written a program to find a number whether it is even or odd.